Hello, and welcome to Blades and More for my review of this CRKT Stylus folding pocket knife. CRKT through the years has come out with a lot of kind of unusual or flashy style model folding pocket knives, and this Stylus is a good example of their work. It's been designed by knife designer Ken Onion, and has a lot of nice features and qualities. Comes in at the budget price range of around $45, and it has assisted flipper tab opening with IKBS ball bearing pivot and Sandvik 12C27 blade material, and heavily milled, contoured aluminum handles. It has a deep carry pocket clip. Comes on right hand carry only. With a aluminum back spacer that has a lanyard hole in it. The overall length of the knife, 7.25 inches. The blade length is 3.125 inches. And the cutting edge is 3.125 inches. The blade width is 0.5 inches, so a half an inch, and the blade thickness is 0.12 inches. As mentioned, the blade material is a 12C27 Sandvik, and says CRKT on the show side of the blade. On the rear side it says Onion Design. Has a small sharpening choil, and the flipper tab has jimping on it. There's a hole in the center of it for aesthetics. Looks nice. The handle material is red. CRKT calls it red. I think it looks kind of more like a burgundy to me. Has stainless steel liner lock. It is a tip-up carry design. There's heavy jimping on the thumb ramp of the blade. It's a nice piece for a gentleman's type carry. Ultra lightweight, thin, easy to carry. Let me bring in the CRKT CEO. I have the thumb stud model here. CEO is a little longer in length than the Stylus, but similar in features. Give you a little closer look to the Stylus here. So there we go, everybody. It is the CRKT Stylus folding pocket knife. It's a long, sleek, slender, kind of a medium length knife that would fit away easily into your pocket. If you have any questions or concerns, I'd appreciate it if you'd leave them in the comment section. And if you like the video, to hit the like button and to subscribe to the channel. All right, everybody. Thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate it. All right, bye now.